How do I troubleshoot RC brushless motor problems? Imagine your RC car or drone suddenly stops responding or runs erratically. It can be frustrating, but most issues with brushless motors are fixable with some simple steps. Let's walk through how to troubleshoot these problems step by step. First, start with a visual check. Look at the motor and wiring for any obvious damage like burnt spots, frayed wires, or loose connectors. Make sure the electronic speed controller, or ESC, and battery connections are secure and free from corrosion. Next, verify your battery is fully charged and providing the right voltage. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage at the battery terminals and at the ESC input. If the voltage is low or fluctuating, that could be the cause of poor motor performance. Then, test the ESC. Turn on your vehicle and listen for the start-up beeps. If you hear no sounds or the motor doesn't respond, check the power connections and battery voltage again. Make sure the SE's power switch is on and that its settings match your motor's specifications. Now, check the motor windings. Using a multimeter set to measure resistance, test the 3 wires coming from the motor. The readings should be consistent across all 3 wires, and there should be no open circuits or shorts. An open circuit indicates a broken winding, while a short can cause overheating or damage to the ESC. After that, manually spin the motor shaft. It should turn smoothly without grinding or resistance. If it feels stuck or rough, debris or damage inside the motor could be the problem. Also, inspect the rotor and magnets for any signs of damage or dirt. If your motor uses sensors like Hall sensors or encoders, test these as well. Faulty sensors can send incorrect signals to the ESC, causing erratic behavior or stalling. Next, check the motor under no load and under load. Measure the current draw and compare it to the manufacturer's specifications. Excessive current suggests internal damage or a shorted winding. If your motor is drawing too much current or not spinning at all, it might need replacing. Make sure your ESC and motor are compatible in terms of voltage and current ratings. Using an ESC not designed for your motor can cause faults or failure to start. If your ESC has firmware, verify it's up to date and not corrupted. Some SES have diagnostic software to check for errors or abnormal current draw. Finally, keep everything cool and clean. Heat sinks or fans help prevent overheating. Keep all connections tight and dry, and store components away from static or moisture. If your brushless motor still won't run properly after these checks, replacing the motor or ESC might be the best option. Regular maintenance and inspection can prevent many common problems and keep your RC vehicles running smoothly.